On the landing page, click on the Collect Wallet button to enter your preferred DeFi wallet. Once prompted by your wallet, sign in to proceed to the app. Click on the Open Signal button to get to the Signals page. Once you are at the Signals page, you can check out the total crypto market cap on the right. To pick a pairing to forecast, click the drop-down on the left and pick a pairing of your choice. Below that you can choose the direction of your forecasts and set your stop loss and take profit targets. There is also a leverage feature for your signals. You can only have 10 signals running at once. There is also a title and notes section for you to label your signals. Once you are done, click the Open Signal to post it. Once your signal is published, head to your profile page by clicking the Mine button. Click on the Signals tab to see your previously published signals. To change the take profit and stop losses, simply click the signal pairings to edit the values. Thanks for watching.